Follow Goa News Hub on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter.
नमस्कार, येवकार तुमकां. आजपासून आमी एक वेगळी सिरीज तुमच्या मुखार हाडटा आनी सिरीजाचें नांव आसा मीट दी बॉस. बॉस हे उतर हाजे खातीर वापरता की खंयच्याय कंपनीचो चीफ जावपा खातीर किंवा खंयची कंपनी सुरू करून ती धडपडान वयर काडपा खातीर जे एटेम्प्ट लागता, जे सॅक्रिफायसीस लागता, पर्सनल लायफानूय सॅक्रिफायस लागता आनी प्रोफेशनल लायफानूय जितले सॅक्रिफायस करचे पडटा ते सॅक्रिफायस केल्या उपरांतूच कोण बॉस ह्या पदवेचेर पावता तेन्नाच ताजी कंपनी ह्या लेवलार पावता की सगळे जाण नोटीस करता, तो फायदो करपाक लागता आनी तो आपल्या बरोबर 4 लोकांकूय एम्प्लॉयमेंट दिता. आतां ह्या सिरिजा वरवीं आमी तुमच्या मुखार ते लोक हाडटले जाणी ह्यो सगळ्यो पायऱ्यो यशस्वीपणान चडल्या आनी त्या जाग्यार आसा ज्या जाग्यार लोक तांकां म्हणपाक शकता मीट दी बॉस. सो आय एम मीटिंग वन बॉस टुडे. एक बॉसाक आमी मेळटा ज्या मनशान सॉफ्टवेअर टेक्नॉलॉजी ह्या फिल्डान आनी IT ह्या फिल्डान आपलें एक नांव वयर काडिल्लें आसा आनी गोंयचें नांवूय ताणें वयर काडिल्लें आसा. 𝐚𝐬𝐬𝐡 𝐒𝐚𝐥𝐬𝐡 हें नांव सगळ्यांक नवीन न्ही, सगळे जाण जाणा की IT एंड सॉफ्टवेअर ह्या फिल्डान ते आतां म्हणसर अग्रेसर आसा. तांची कंपनी कितें करता, तांकां कितली धडपड करची पडली आनी बाकीच्यो गजाली जाणा जावन घेवपा खातीर आमी तांच्या ऑफिसान आयिल्ले आसा. हें घोगळ मडगांव हांगा ऑफीस. 𝐚𝐬𝐬𝐡 𝐒𝐚𝐥𝐬𝐡 मेळटलें. ही इज CEO एंड फावंडर ऑफ उमंग सॉफ्टवेअर टेक्नॉलॉजीज प्रायवेट लिमिटेड आनी तांचे कडल्यान जाणा जावन घेतलें की एक्चुअली कितें लागता टू बी दी बॉस. सो आमचे बरोबर येया. दीस इज मच इनफॉर्मल प्रोग्राम. सो एकादे वेळ हांगा ते ग्लिचीस आसत जाल्यार खंयच वचूं नाका किंवा वायट मानून घेवं नाका, कारण दीस इज मच इनफॉर्मल प्रोग्राम वेरीन वी आर टेकिंग टू यू फॉर्मरली इन टू दी हार्ट ऑफ अ बॉस. आमी पाविल्ले आसा उमंग टॅक्नॉलॉजीच्या ऑफिसान. हांगा पुराय फ्लोर उमंग टॅक्नॉलॉजीचो आसा आनी तुमी पळयता हांगा जे तरेन आर्टिस्टिकली तांणी पुराय डेकोर केल्लो आसा. अशें दिसना की खंयचे सॉफ्टवेअर किंवा एक सिरियस ऑफिसान आयिल्ले आसा, पूण अशें दिसता की खंयच्या तरी एक फन लवींग मनशाच्या ऑफिसान आयिल्ले आसा. सो आमी मेळटले 𝐚𝐬𝐬𝐡 𝐒𝐚𝐥𝐬𝐡. आनी फायनली आमी पाविल्ले आसा उमंगच्या ऑफिसान आनी आमचे बरोबर आसा स्वता 𝐚𝐬𝐬𝐡 𝐒𝐚𝐥𝐬𝐡. देव बरें करूं वेळ दिलो म्हणून.
Thank you.
You are one of the most busiest businessman entrepreneur in Goa.
No, not at all. I'm always available for everyone. I think so. पयलीं म्हणल्यार गोवा न्यूज हबान उमंगान येवन उमंगाची शोभा वाडयली आनी आय थिंक थँक्स रुपेश टू यू for giving us the opportunity to be the first, I think so, the part of the first episode.
This is the first episode.
Yeah, so
you are the first boss we are featuring.
Thank you.
Okay, and you don't seem to be, following the usual office rules. If we say your office rule says give your best, work hard, think positive, never give up.
Drink coffee, that's important.
Respect, communicate, have fun. Have fun.
Now, beer asta chili, then it would have been drink beer. So
drink coffee and encourage. So this is your space where you.
Yes. I'll just take you through. So meet Uma. Uma is my wife, and she is the COO and the co-founder of Umang. So by the way, Umang is enthusiasm, that you know, but Umang also means Uma plus 𝐚𝐬𝐬𝐡.
Okay, both together.
That's Umang.
Okay, we'll start with her actually. आयडिया कशी आयली, हांवें हाजे पयलीं 𝐚𝐬𝐬𝐡 कडेन उलयल्लो तेन्ना ताणें सांगलें की आपूण एक बरो जॉब सोडून गोंयान आयलो आनी नंतर ही कंपनी स्टार्ट केली आनी बोथ ऑफ यू वर दी को फावंडर्स. तेन्ना एक रिस्क दिसूं ना. आयडियली कशें करता, एकटो खंय तरी बरें सेक्युअर्ड जॉबाक आसता आनी दुसरो आसता तो असो बिझनेसान येता.
रिस्क आशिल्ली, बट देन आय थॉट रिस्क म्हणटा ती शेवटी घेवपा खातीरूच आसता न्ही. सो वी थॉट वी शूड गो अहेड. ऑफकोर्स आय थिंक आय कंटिन्यूड वर्किंग टील द टायम वी अचीव्ड अ स्टेबिलिटी. सो इट इज नॉट दॅट इट वॉज ऑल ऑफ अ सडन जंप.
ओके, टेल अस अबाउट वी हॅव टू तुमच्या तोंडांतल्यान आयकपा जाय म्हाका की कशी स्टार्ट जालें फर्स्ट उमंग म्हणून करचें अशें ताका दिसलें, केन्ना स्टार्ट जालें, पयलीं तुमी सपोर्ट केलो काय ना ऑर यू फर्स्ट सेड नाका आसूं तूं बरो जॉब सोडून आनी हांगा कित्याक येता काय
No, no, no. I supported him. So, अशें केन्ना डिस्कशन जालें ना की why are we doing this or we should not go ahead. So we decided that fine, it's okay. We should go ahead and try something.
So initially, as I said, it was 2009 where people were in between the 2008 recession time and so on. There were a lot of job cuts and so on. And हांगा जेन्ना म्हाका एक opportunity येताली, I said it's a good opportunity where I think we could change a little bit of the IT scene in Goa. I know the IT scene in Goa was not that glamorous and it's not that exciting like how it is today. But त्या टायमार ऑफकोर्स स्टार्टअप म्हणटा तो शब्द म्हाका 3-4 वर्सांनी कळ्ळो स्टार्टअप म्हणटा ते आमी स्टार्टअप म्हणून. बट वेन वी स्टार्टेड ऑफ वी वर just called as a IT company and we were doing that. And I think so as Uma said, it was about I took the step ahead and Uma was there to support me. And then once she was working for IBM earlier, and once we said things are stable, we could get the next project in hand and hire more people on board and so on. So Uma said, she'll come forward to not exactly working for the as a handling the software development and the execution, but more of handling the legal, the finance and the HR side. So that's what she is still doing for the last 13 years.
ओके लास्ट 13 इयर्स म्हणजे 13 वर्सां पयलीं तुमी डिसायड केलें की आपूण बाबा ही स्टेबल जॉब सोडून हांगा यू वील जॉइन इट.
Yeah, because then opportunity आयली, we thought okay, I should help him. So he was handling one part, I was handling the other part.
वॉट इज युअर रिएक्शन जेन्ना गोंयचे IT प्रोफेशनल्स गोंय सोडून भायर वताले तेन्ना हो मनीस गोंय भायर सोडून गोंयान आयलो?
Reaction अशें कांय नाशिल्लें, but yeah, I think we wanted to come back and settle in Goa. That was also important, that we come back to our place म्हणटात तशें.
फीश करी रायस बी जाय तशें तुका कंपल्शन आशिल्लें कारण खुबशे पॉलिटिशियन आमी पळयले दिल्ली गेल्या उपरांत फीश करी रायस जाय म्हणून परत गोंयान आयले.
ना, फिश करी रायस वॉज नेवर द फॅन्टसी पार्ट ऑफ इट. ऑन टॉप लोक म्हाका म्हणटात की अरे आय वर्क एज मारवाडी म्हणून, बिकॉज आय वेक अप एट अँड कम टू माय ऑफिस एट 9:15 इन ऑफिस, leave at 1:30 for lunch, back by 2:15, though the lunch break is still 2:30, again 6:30-7 म्हणल्यार हांव ऑफिसान आसता. द रुटीन फॉर द लास्ट 13 years. आतां 13 years म्हणले बरोबर सुद्दां लोक म्हणटात की अरे जाणटो जालो मरे तूं, जाणटी जाली कंपनी. आय थिंक 13 इज वेअर अवर टीनेज स्टार्ट्स and that's where the fun begins. So I think so it's in the fun process now we are in, and things will go ahead.
Okay, thank you very much. I think तुम्ही काम करताले and we stopped you.
That's okay.
This is one room which we entered. This is the conference room. Conference room हो महत्वाचो आसता. खुबशे कॉर्पोरेटान कॉन्फरन्स रूमानूच चड टायम वता.
Absolutely, but like how we say, most of your ideas come from your toilets. So it is like, most of the brainstorming happens in the conference room than your cabin or your workplace.
Okay.
So let me take you through the other places.
Welcome to Sunshine Hospital, where excellence meets compassion. We specialize in diabetology, laparoscopic laser surgery, cardiology, acidity, and pain management. Our mission is to provide healing and hope to every life we touch, with kindness, integrity, and respect. Our vision is to become a world-class medical center, providing service that is conscious and optimal at an affordable cost to all citizens under one roof. Meet our doctors. They are well qualified, well experienced, good communicators, and empathetic towards the patient's needs. They embody the core values of compassion and excellence. When you or a loved one needs care, turn to Sunshine Hospital. Not only do we have all the latest technology, but our facilities are designed with your comfort in mind. Our goal is to offer the best possible care for you and your loved ones.
This is one of the room where a lot of things happen. So we have our HR Milanta sitting here. So Milanta is taking care of a lot of recruitment which is happening at Umang at this point. ताजे शिवाय ह्या सायडीन बसला आमचो सिस्टम एडमिन संदेश बसला. वी हॅव ऑल द बिझनेस डेव्हलपमेंट टीम हियर. ऑस्कर इज द VP ऑफ बिझनेस डेव्हलपमेंट. And I have Ashwini here. She is my executive assistant. She's handling all my extracurricular stuff which I do along with 𝐸𝐚𝐺. These are some of the words and very positive terms which actually makes up which is a part of our IT industry. हातून आनी प्रत्येक शब्दान भितर एक जो पळय word or alphabet घेतला, it is related to our what do you say, they are logos of a technology. So if you see there enthusiasmaच्या ते U जे आसा is of actually जावाचो कप. सो जावा टेक्नॉलॉजी. क्वॉलिटीचे थंय A आसा, थंय आमी एंड्रॉयडाचे A घेतला आमी. सो आनी थंय इफ यू सी फोकसांतलो O इज 𝐸𝐚𝐺ाचो लोगो घेतला. सो आय कॉल इट एज इंटरनल ब्रँडिंग which actually adds a lot of energy to your workplace.
ओके, सो आमी फुडें वचून पळयतले बाकीचे ऑफिस रादर.
Let's get into the CTO cabin. So we have our CTO here, Poonam. So Poonam Narvekar, she's a CTO, and Praveen here is the project lead. So sorry to disturb. Yeah.
𝐸𝐚𝐺 means enthusiasm. Enthusiasm is what drives the mankind.
Development area. So we have all the, you can see people getting onto client calls and so on here. Get into my cabin. So this is supposed to be the place where I sit, and that's my wife's sit. So
This is den of the boss.
this is the den. I always have a informal, funny word what I say is I share the table as well as the bed at home. so the partners in crime sit together, and that's how business has been happening. So yeah.
Follow Goa News Hub on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.
Hi, I am Kaushal Palekar.
Hi, I am Ketan Golatkar.
Hanuman Neglur.
Rahul Desai.
नीरज बांदेकर.
Prasad Deshpande.
Hi, I am Rupesh Samant.
I am associated with
Goa News Hub.
Goa News Hub.
गोवा न्यूज हब.
Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Like us.
Share us
Send subscribers.
Download our app from Google Play Store.
for latest news updates.
Visit www.goanewshub.com.
Keep watching us.